Need to access your pay stubs through the HSBC app? While the HSBC app primarily focuses on banking, some employers or payroll integrations might allow you to view pay stubs. In this guide, I'll clarify how to generally access pay stubs, which isn't always directly through the HSBC app itself. It's important to distinguish. The HSBC app is for your banking transactions, not typically for employer-issued pay stubs. Your pay stubs are usually provided by your employer's payroll system, whether it's an internal portal, an external payroll provider, or direct email. However, if your employer uses a payroll service that integrates with your HSBC account, or uses a system that pushes documents to your online banking, you might find them under a Documents, Statements, or Payroll section within your HSBC online banking portal. Finally, the most reliable way to get your pay stubs is to contact your employer's HR or payroll department directly. They can guide you to their specific system for accessing your pay stubs. And there you have it. Getting pay stubs isn't always direct through the HSBC app. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.